I am not sure if Showmax is going for the WWE SmackDown feel, or they're trying to show us that they can also do action movies, but they forget that they are doing the Real Housewives. What in the bullying did we just watch on the last episode? Okay, I am not saying that Crystal is wrong. No, I am saying. Ngitsini kahle kahle, enjimsaha, naleli penda, kara asmal, ngonde balfo. Can you just all? I'm not saying that I'm not saying that Crystal is right. Yes, but I'm saying what was done to her can never be Dylan's. Yes. So, again, I'm again like I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We have a channel that is special. I've got you covered for the Bambara month because yes, 6 months in 1 month. So don't worry. I've got you covered. I'm sorry. Gamo Khala. If you are interested in hosting on Airbnb and you want to get extra coins and extra income stream and you don't know what to do, listen, Gooks Holdings has got you covered. I will be linking our WhatsApp group down below where you can join our classes. I say our because I've been promoting this business for so long. I just feel like I'm part of the fabric. Like my silent partner, you know? But anyway, guys, finally there is a direct link in the description box down below, straight to the WhatsApp group. You guys don't have to worry and text me like, Sims, I'm not getting a response. Yes, here is the WhatsApp group down below. Join it, join it, join it, do your thing, and get that chain. Sana, not former Real Housewives, television stars, influencers, anybody who's anybody coming for Showmax. People were so disgusted and horrified by the last episode of the Real House. It's not the Real Housewives, sorry. It's the Ultimate Housewives Girl Trip, where they take different housewives from the different franchises of Africa and then they put them on the trip. They are currently in Brazil, and Annie, Angel, Jekoko, Ujekoko is Princess, Dr. C, did I say Crystal? There are a couple of girls. There's that one girl that I keep forgetting because she's been sick on the trip and she's not participating much. Miriam is also there. Miriam is also there. Now, Sana. Crystal was a surprise guest and a surprise star of the show. And she really picked up those ratings because they found someone to tear down and bully. And Crystal has been saying really some offensive things as in true Crystal fashion. Not that I'm giving her a pass and I'm saying that anything that she did was also okay to offend the girls. But the last episode was really like a playground to bully Crystal. Okay. And it was funny that Angel was the one doing lots of the talking.
From the bush. Goodness. Mm. You that angel, that Nephilim that you said. That's you. So, have you got a human boyfriend? Yeah. At least. I had a boyfriend. I like sleeping with a married man. You made it with them, yes. Yeah? You got a kid. You slept with a married man. Have you got a son or a daughter?
Ooh, very tricky now.
There's nothing wrong with me not having married man. What married man?
Already, you are coming for me for something that I have no control over. The one thing, though, that is a bit of an issue is my fertility. You're a dirty little bitch.
You, darling, went from a mansion to a fucking 2-room apartment. How about that?
Angel took it low. You go low, she goes lower. She dug a whole grave there. In fact, she managed to make us feel the fires from hell.
Maybe I've got my hands in the way.
And by the way, not having kids, there's nothing wrong with people that don't have kids.
Do you know what my
There's
best answer
nothing
is, by
wrong
the
with
way?
people that don't have kids. I would like you to start with me with that topic again.
I think there's another place worse than hell, and I think that's where I go enjoy a lot.
You
How
can
about that?
insult me together.
You're a disgusting human being. Don't ever speak about women and having kids ever again in your life because you don't know why I don't have children and why I choose not to have children.
They want to break me. They actually want to break me, and it's beyond a joke. It's actually beyond the show.
I wonder why you don't have children.
Yeah, because that's not for you to know. I wonder why you have one child. I wonder why you have one child. Because ain't nobody trying to fuck you anyway.
I think Crystal comes with a certain energy that is very draining.
You don't even know nothing about my
I
life.
don't know shit
And you're
about
telling
you.
me I
I just
sleep
know
with
that you're a
married men.
nutcrack that goes around speaking shit.
You're telling me I
All
sleep
the
with
fucking
married
time.
men.
The problem is sometimes they get deep into Christelle's past.
No, it's everybody here tonight. So I'm being addressed by this little girl.
Yes, very little.
No, this is not on. Who do you think you are?
Like 5 generations
Who
older
do
than me.
you think you are?
I'm Angel. That's who I think I am, honey. And I'm sitting at the same table as you. The same table you came in. You're
I'm
a by the way.
Crystal.
You're a by the way.
The moment I started blocking Christy off,
If it's not Angel threatening to violent people, it's Angel dragging people for filth. Okay, telling Crystal that she moved from a mansion to a 2-bedroom apartment. Isn't Angel the girl that started in an apartment when we saw her on the show? Isn't Angel the one that bought a very minimalistic house and we were all happy for her online? What gives her the right? What gives her the right? And then Ueni, I just feel like she really needs to be off screen and she can really heal. She really needs to go through some healing, Ueni, because wow, hurt people. I see them a lot of times. But yeah, guys, a lot of celebrities were in the comment section when Showmax was taking out the trailer, and they were like, Showmax, are you really proud of what you are showing us on screen? Like, Showmax, are you really letting these girls bully Crystal like this? Like, even Lassie Latono was on the comment section. There were so many people. Liz, the other housewife, she was like, I'm reporting live from my vacation in the USA, and what is this? What is this? Personally, for me, I haven't even been able to keep up with the episodes of the new season of the Ultimate Girls Trip because I found this particular season very jarring, very boring. Like, even if I miss an episode, like I don't run to go watch. I watch when I remember, oh, Konje, this thing plays. And then I see on Twitter when maybe something is happening, then I'll go watch. But I don't actively like follow it religiously like I used to. I really enjoyed the first season of a Girls Trip. With this Brazilian trip, Angitandi, I don't know what went wrong, like production, casting, something went wrong. Like, I think next time they really need to involve us because what the hell was that? Like, I am really not a fan of what was going on. And the bullying. More than anything, it's the bullying, the verbal diarrhea. Like, you can literally see why Angel and Minnie loved each other. And we all know how Minnie ended. We all saw how Minnie season ended and what she did to Londi Landan. Like, man, no man, no man. Anyway, let us talk in the comment section down below. But yeah, man, that was like absolutely atrocious to watch. Let us see how the show progresses. But I mean, really not a fan of what happened on the last episode. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.